Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down the latest in beauty with real talk and expert insights. Today, we're going to talk about something a lot of you have been asking about. Press-on nails that you don't need glue for. You heard that right. No glue, just perfect nails in minutes. We're diving into the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the shade Better Things, a dark green with a squoval shape. I'm excited to give you the full lowdown on how they perform, whether they're worth your time, and who would really benefit from them. Now, let's break down the product. Kiss has upped the ante with their Color FX collection, offering a totally revamped press-on nail experience. The Color FX line features chrome-like effects that you won't get from your usual polish. Plus, they've improved the adhesive, so these nails are meant to stay put for up to 10 days. No more worrying about lifting edges or nails falling off at the most inconvenient times. You also get an all-in-one kit, complete with 30 nails, a mini file, a prep pad, a manicure stick, and instructions. So what's it really like to use these? I gave them a try during my usual nail routine to see if they live up to the hype. The application process was quick, probably under 10 minutes from start to finish. The adhesive on the nails is genuinely impressive, pun intended. It sticks well without the mess of glue, and the nails feel comfortable right from the start. There's no stiffness or heaviness. They blend in perfectly with my natural nails. The dark green color is stunning and adds a little extra edge without being over the top. In terms of real-world testing, these nails held up pretty well. I wore them through some work calls, a few errands, and even a dinner out. The nails stayed secure without budging. The only minor issue I had was around day 7, when one of the nails started to lift slightly around the cuticle. But honestly, that's expected for press-on nails, especially ones that are this easy to apply. For most people, they'll probably last the full 10 days, if not more, before needing a touch-up or replacement. Now let's look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, these nails are a total game changer for anyone who wants a quick, glue-free option that doesn't compromise on style. The design is sleek and the color is rich, ideal for fall or anyone looking for a darker, more sophisticated shade. The adhesive is also much better than other press-ons I've tried, and the overall feel is comfortable. On the flip side, the short size might not work for everyone. If you have larger nail beds or prefer a longer length, you might find these a bit too short. I also noticed that after a few days, the shine did start to wear off a little, though it wasn't enough to ruin the overall look. When it comes to value for money, I think these nails are pretty fair for what you get. At around $10, you're getting a full kit with everything you need for a flawless DIY manicure. The quality of the adhesive and the color payoff make it a solid option for those looking for a quick, no-mess solution. Sure, you could spend a little less on other press-on brands, but you're not always going to get the same durability or finish. In terms of build quality, the nails themselves are well made, and the packaging is straightforward and easy to use. There's no excessive waste, and everything fits into a compact kit that's easy to store. For those of you who are not willing to pay full price or are looking for something with a bit more staying power, there are some alternatives worth checking out. The imPRESS nails definitely stand out for their ease of use, but if you're open to other options, brands like Static Nails or Dashing Diva also offer glue-free, long-lasting press-ons, some even with custom shapes or finishes. To wrap things up, these Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in Better Things do what they say on the box. They give you a salon-quality manicure without the glue and without the hassle. If you're someone who needs a quick fix for a special event or just wants to make your nails pop for a week without a trip to the salon, I think these are definitely worth trying. They won't disappoint if you're looking for a sleek, easy-to-use, and long-lasting option for your nails. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used these press-on nails or have a favorite press-on brand, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.